What's up video friends, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix bevel not working in 3D text in Autodesk Maya 2019. A lot of beginners might be having this problem that their bevel is not working in 3D text or 3D type. Basically it's not a problem. In Autodesk Maya 2019 things are a little bit changed. To use bevel you first have to enable it. To enable bevel, it can be done in extrude settings. You need to select your text, go to attribute editor, then go to type 1. Here in type 1 attributes you can see categories. Alright, we have to go in text geometry and then bevel. You can see by default it will be turned off, so just enable it. And as you can see, bevel works now. To edit your bevel attributes, just simply go in extrude settings or extrude attributes and done. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.